Retired Zimbabwe National Army (ZNA) Colonel Mutero Johane Masanganais, whose Bushmead mansion was recently gutted by fire, is appealing for financial support to refurbish his property. The mansion that caught fire at around 2 p.m. on October 12 was extensively damaged, while properties worth millions of dollars were burned to ashes. A Veld fire is alleged to have originated from a residential stand which is under construction next to RTD Colonel Masanganais' home. The retired service chief said he has been receiving heartwarming support from the community and appealed for financial support for him to be able to reconstruct the mansion. "My community stood by me since tragedy struck. I was given clothes, a stove, pots, a fridge and all kinds of utensils, and above all emotional support. The people of Bushmead really showed me what love is, and I am very grateful for that. I appeal to anyone who feels in their heart to help me and my family to rebuild our home to come forward," said Masanganais. Masanganais added that efforts to stop the fire did not reap the desired results as it had destroyed property worth over $9 million. The neighbors called the fire department, which arrived at the scene within half an hour, but damage had already been done. "I lost a lot because the value of the damaged structures is over $9.7 million," added Masanganais. Sources, however, allege that contract workers who were working on the next house, that is owned by an unnamed United Kingdom-based person, started the fire and failed to control it.